If you've ever needed to duplicate a file or copy an entire folder in Google Drive, this video is going to save you a lot of time. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the easiest way to make a copy of a file, and I'll also show you the simple workaround for duplicating a folder, since Google Drive doesn't offer a direct folder copy button on the web. This is perfect for organizing your documents, reusing templates, backing up work, or creating duplicate versions of a project without starting from scratch. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Google Drive tips and software how-to videos. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive in your browser and locate the file you want to duplicate. Once you find it, right-click on the file. A menu will appear with several options, and from that list, you want to click Make a Copy. As soon as you do that, Google Drive will automatically create a duplicate version of the file. You'll usually see it appear with a name like copy of and then the original file name. That's the fastest and easiest way to duplicate a single file in Google Drive. You can then rename it, move it into another folder, or edit it without affecting the original. Now let's talk about folders, because this is where many people get stuck. If you try to right-click a folder in Google Drive, you'll notice there is no direct Make a Copy option for folders on the web version. But don't worry, there is still a simple workaround that gives you the same result. To duplicate a folder, first open the folder you want to copy. Inside the folder, press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac to select all of the files inside. Once everything is selected, right-click the highlighted files, then click Make a Copy just like you did with a single file. Google Drive will create duplicate versions of those files. After that, create a brand new folder to hold the copied items. You can give it the same name as the original folder if you want, or add something like copy or backup to keep things organized. Next, move all of the copied files into that new folder. You can do this by dragging them in, or by using the Move to option if you prefer. Once that's done, you've effectively duplicated the folder contents in Google Drive. It's not a one-click folder copy, but it works really well when you need a quick clone of everything inside. This method is especially useful for templates, shared project folders, class materials, business documents, or anything you want to reuse in a new version. And the best part is that it keeps your original folder untouched, so you can make changes in the copy without worrying about breaking the source files. If you want to stay organized, a good tip is to rename the copied files and folder right away, so you always know which version is original and which one is the duplicate. That makes it much easier to manage your drive later. So to recap, for a single file, just right-click and choose Make a Copy. For a folder, open it, select all the files, make copies of those files, then place them into a new folder. That's the simplest way to duplicate files and folders in Google Drive. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.